Oh, gosh, it looks so good.
And this is like, wow.
Do you like it?
I love it. I love it.
It's a little more modern.
Yeah, you guys took the risk and it was worth it.
Got the new lighting, new windows. You actually have a front door where you know where to go.
Yeah, exactly.
We knew we had to have new doors that were insulated and sealed, but we wanted to have some of that original barn feel. And that's something you'd see on an old barn, big sliding doors like that.
I love that.
Dave made them out of the original barn wood.
Oh, that is amazing.
It's such a cool old barn. So we wanted to try to preserve the integrity of what it was, but it still feels like an old barn that has the modern touches.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
I don't think we could have even believed that it could look like this.
Yeah.
You guys did excellent.
All right, let's go
Ready to
inside.
go in?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
ready. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
oh my
Oh
gosh. This
gosh.
is awesome.
It's like a cathedral style ceiling. That looks amazing.
And then the beams with all the layers
I
of wood,
love
too.
that.
We tried to take special attention, just like that one red stripe.
I just
love
saw
that.
That's the
that.
original.
I just saw that. I was like, wait, that's part of the red. Oh,
yes.
that's so neat.
I love this view from here. Like you can take the whole space in.
Oh, this is
my gosh.
absolutely gorgeous. Look at all the walls, Kelly.
I know.
We really tried to put that original barn wood throughout.
It's beautiful.
We have a fireplace. Yeah.
How did I miss the fireplace? I'm lost.
About
Yeah,
the wood.
I'm lost in the wood. I missed the fireplace. There's so much to take
so
in
much
right
to
now.
like.
Oh my gosh, I just want to stand here for a minute.
I know.
So this space, we wanted to be a space that you guys can use a lot for your family and
Exactly.
friends. Everyone can fit in here. You have kind of individual seating areas, so it kind of tried to break it up because it's a big space. So here we have our little like gaming table. You can see you guys coming and sitting at night and playing a game. Dave actually made this.
Oh my gosh.
These bird baskets. So you have two of those that we found in the old shed, and Dave took old barn wood and put on top of that. So you have a table.
I love it. I love it.
And then this space is your relax, sit in front of the new fireplace with natural stone to bring in kind of that rustic feel to contrast with the wood. And then you have kind of the fun space over here in front of the door.
Love this door.
Wow,
This is amazing.
this is beautiful.
The difference now from what it was,
Yeah.
everything had to be replaced and redone.
Unbelievable. You're gonna love those plants. That's like her passion right there.
I love that.
There's kale, Swiss chard, all the herbs.
On timers, so we don't have to worry about watering. You
Yes.
just come out, make your salad.
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
I think nature helps you feel peaceful, and that's what we wanted for you guys because you do so much hard work. You travel all the time, and so when you're here, we wanted it to be a place where you can just exhale.
Awesome. That's what I need. Well, the challenge is like, where would you be? I want to be here. I want to be over there.
Wherever the conversation needs to happen.
One of our themes, of course, is what does it mean to build friendships around a table? So I can imagine all the different stories we can share, friends we can connect with, from the Help and Now world to happen right here.
We really wanted it to feel like home, away from home.
We had these gas lanterns custom made by a company out of Mississippi. And I love how they're just kind of oversized. It's such a statement right when you walk up here. Everything feels very historic and era appropriate.
Well, that door is gorgeous. Those lanterns are amazing. It's so beautiful.
All right, you ready to go inside?
Let's do it.
Oh my goodness.
So beautiful. I'm such a fan of the brick.
I love the brick.
All of this brick was completely covered.
I love it.
It's beautiful.
This table was in our old house. Dave stripped it, brought it back to its natural finish, built some benches so we can fit more people. I found some old chairs.
So basically, if memory serves me right, some of the first moments where we met were around this table.
Yeah. Okay, so the kitchen. Let's talk kitchen now.
Yes. So amazing.
I wanted it to feel old, it's historic, like this kitchen's been here for a long time.
I love all the old pieces, all the detail.
The hardware's handmade, the lights are handmade. Dave handmade the stools on the other side. It's important to us to support makers, and so that's what we wanted to do in this space. And also, this kitchen used to be on the other side, and it was a tiny little tight galley. We really wanted it to be more open because, again, we wanted to facilitate conversations and meetings.
We'll fit 30 people in this little room and have conversations for hours.
Yes.
Oh my word. Holy cow.
So adorable.
Look how good it looks.
So different in here.
It's
Wow.
even better than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. And there's
Wow.
a fireplace. I didn't think we were gonna get a fireplace.
Here.
What do you think of the floors?
These are so sexy. This is our home, babe. We're gonna live here.
But let's talk about the kitchen. You ready to go in there?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go in the
Alrighty.
kitchen. Go, go,
Let's
go.
do
Come
it.
on. Kitchen. That's. I mean.
Oh, I love it. The countertops are beautiful.
Look at this vein here. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece of rock.
These are quartzite, and so they are indestructible.
They're gorgeous.
It's a lot harder than granite, actually.
The beams are awesome.
These lights are handmade, and they feel very true to the era of the house.
Every space was used, even under your staircase.
Look, we have a pantry.
Look how big it is.
Oh, wow. It is so big. Oh, my gosh.
The newer woodwork, like the beams and the door that Derek did, complements all your original doors. We had them all stripped, all the paint taken off, and then just left them as they were.
I mean, this kitchen was in the back.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
moved it here, and it is so
Gorgeous.
gorgeous.
It's-
so warm and modern, yet very timeless and historic.
This is enough for me.
Is
Like,
it?
No,
Okay.
it's not. No, it's
No,
not.
it's not.
What
do
else
you
we
think?
got?
Should we go to the old
think-
porch?
Holy cow, this is awesome. Wow.
Oh, that is amazing.
We had a little birdie tell us that you guys love to go to concerts together, and so I thought, what better way to include your own story into this house than to create a backsplash with your old ticket stubs?
We had to enlist Damon's help on this one. He had to break into your house and steal all your concert tickets.
This is so cool.
So cool. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it, 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 I love it.
Blue, baby.
It's blue. I matched the kitchen. You do? This is, wow.
We ended up going all blue instead of white on top is because I think that it has this nice balance with the counters and with the backsplash. So you were able to make a really nice statement in here, and it feels bold.
I know we talked about potentially going blue, and I was a little scared, but now that I see it, it looks amazing.
It feels so much bigger in here, doesn't it? Isn't it
Yes.
crazy?
Oh my gosh. Wow. This was our attic. This is incredible.
There's a now showing Mr. and Mrs. Fitzsimmons on the other side.
Dave did build these little marquees because you have storage here for your movies.
Oh my gosh.
Have tons of movies.
You gotta go check that one out.
And then, yeah, go
open
check
one
out that one.
Okay.
You can just pull on the top of that. Patrick, we wanted all of the very best equipment, so you have a literal movie theater.
Oh my gosh. That is really going to be shaking the whole house.
So Dave and I actually went to the movie theater downtown and did some recon. And we knew we needed the right lighting, so when everything's dark in here, you can have the stars twinkling and you have a little bit of ambient light, but you still have this amazing screen, amazing speaker system.
There are literally speakers and subs everywhere.
And then Dave built this little platform so that if you do have friends over, everyone can be sitting here and you can still see the screen.
And these are like real movie chairs.
They really are.
This is like right out of the theater.
Oh, wow. It's not even the same house. It's unbelievable.
I
Wait,
mean-
did the roof get taller? Did the house get taller?
Yeah, we actually built an entire new roof over the top of your existing roof.
It has a big presence, but it's a small house.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
the
Yes.
detail of it
Yes.
makes it feel like something really impressive, but it still is humble.
Yes.
And I like that.
Oh, good. I'm so glad. I love how that we have the little bump out where the door is to kind of just give you some dimension. It's not just like a
Yeah.
flat rectangle. And then the curves, of course, and the
Yes.
arch adds that little bit of a cottage like charm to it, but it's really modern as well out here.
Yeah.
So
I don't know what to say.
Nixon shot. Nixon shot.
It's not the same. I mean, this is unreal.
Wait till you see inside. I know there wasn't a lot of square footage, but
Yeah.
we maximized every square inch of space in this house, and you guys, I think you're gonna love it. Let's go look at it.
Let's do it.
Let's do
All
it.
right, you ready?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, are you kidding me right now?
Oh my gosh.
Seriously?
This is crazy.
Wow.
How did you do this?
You opened everything up.
Yes.
Everything.
So beautiful.
And we were able to open the ceiling. This is the original ceiling, and that's why we put the
This
roof.
is all original.
Oh,
because
that's
we were able to
awesome.
keep these
cool.
original.
How about that beam? Was that?
That is a new beam
That's
that we
a new beam.
added, a real beam that we found. So it's new to the house, but it is old.
I just love the detail and the different like knots and.
Isn't it cool?
Yes.
That height is so nice.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
It's amazing, and I'm just like trying to wrap my head around
Don't even
what was
try.
where.
I know.
Before, your ceilings were right there. I mean,
Yeah.
the bottom of these rafters, it was 4 inches below that.
It's awesome. It is amazing.
Okay. So should we check out your kitchen now?
Yeah. Okay, let's go check it out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Oh, it is so sweet. I love it.
It feels like a historic home,
Yep.
but everything is brand new, but it still feels like you're in a little historic cottage somewhere in the countryside.
Nice appliances. I'm super excited to use them.
It's brilliant.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, you've done a lot. You've done a lot.
You've done a lot. Come over here. Yeah.
Love the porch. Now I can sit out there.
Yeah.
Yes.
And a little water feature.
You like that?
But
I
yeah,
love
this
it.
is beautiful.
We really wanted to go modern out here. I mean, the style of your house just really lends to that. And so that's why we went with the dark color that I think really goes well with the stone.
Definitely.
And then, of course, you have your new front porch. Remember, you had those little steps.
Oh yeah.
We actually went with steel. We went with all solid wood car siding underneath here. It's safe, it's supported, it's covered.
The color is so perfect.
There's something about that door
Yes.
that I like.
Yeah, nice and modern.
Yeah,
like
I
your
love
house.
it. Yeah, it's gonna bring some light into that
Yes,
hallway. Yes.
exactly. Yes.
Let's go in.
Yeah, let's go on. Yeah.
You go in first.
We're following y'all.
Oh my gosh, look at the floor.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is like built-in. I can't.
We have all these built-in, so you can see.
Yeah.
So you have all this storage.
Go check out the fireplace, though. It's so cool.
You've done wonders
I
with
had
this.
no idea what you were gonna
Wonders.
do with this, and this is not anything on my radar at all.
It kind of looks like old world, like you could find it in like an old house somewhere in
Yeah.
like Europe, but then you could also find it in Australia.
In the outback, maybe.
It does, it feels outback-esque.
Yeah.
Got new flooring, so lighten and brighten. Everything feels
Yeah.
lighter, doesn't it?
It's unbelievable.
Oh my
unbelievable.
gosh.
I know how you were a college athlete and you were in the Olympics. I mean, no big deal. So I went ahead and made a little memento, just something pretty that you can keep out all the time, that you can brag about how cool you guys are.
Oh, this is
look
awesome.
at
Thank
The
you.
short shorts.
The short shorts.
Oh, yeah, the short shorts.
This is awesome.
Thank you so much. This means a lot.
You're welcome.
There's more of the house to see.
Go check out your kitchen.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I might want to cook in here. Well, more than chicken nuggets.
Wow.
The color is perfect.
I didn't want anything too crazy for the backsplash or the countertops. Just kind of wanted it to be clean and subtle. And then your cabinets are what pops. Rocky, we need a cuppa. Come over here and you can open that up.
Oh, wow.